Oyster up, crew, we got another video for you. We are looking at our Venture of Newport third wind Rudder Craft Kick-Up Rudder. So we've made a few modifications already on this. And let me get the additional camera to show you more detail. So here's our Rudder Craft rudder. We had custom made for our Venture of Newport. We actually had them change the angle here. So the tiller handle didn't go upward in the boat, it laid flat. We were a little off in our angle. So to fix that, we put a little piece here to weld that up. And I did not like this tube, it does not stick in very far. And so the slop in here would allow this to move up and down. So we took the bolt out and I had my buddy weld it. You can check out his channel at Weld for Beer on YouTube. I mean, he did a great job. He's a professional welder. Because of our high sloping back stern, when this rope comes around to kick up the rudder, it was eating into this black plastic cap here. I fashioned this pulley right here. This was supposed to be stainless. It is not. And so it is rusted up already. I'll need a replacement, fix something else. This little strap around here to retain the rope, that is stainless. That's why it's not rusted. Also add a little bumper here in case when we pull it up, protect it against this. So we haven't used this very much, but we have to repair this rope right here. You see it's fraying pretty bad. It's cutting into this plastic here. I don't like this design. I wish there was a roller up top, which will probably remake this piece or put some type of strap around it. Due to usually we want to be standing up when we pull this, this gets pulled up at a slight upward angle, causing it to rip. So we're going to repair that today. I'm going to take a little drink first though before we get started here. So first thing I'm going to open this up halfway. And you want to take caution because this is under a 60-pound strut right here. A piece of wood there just to brace it. I'm going to clamp this down to the table so it doesn't move. And then I'm going to come over here, hold this, and I'm going to stretch this out carefully. Until I get to halfway. Should stay. But we don't want that to spring open or closed on us. So again, we are going to strap the rudder down. So now that's locked up, it won't move. Safety first. I'll switch back to the camera here. We can have access to our pulleys and our rope. And we actually got some fraying down here too. And so you'll notice these three holes. Due to our stern going away from the bow, this rudder is easy to pull up, but to get it to kick down is nearly impossible. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to move this pivot point. That's what these holes are for. You can adjust. Well, this is your normal nominal position in the middle. Alright, while editing, I noticed I cited some incorrect information, so we're going to fix that here. So it is true what they recommend, that the lower hole would help fix conditions when your stern is away from the bow, which normally gives you the opposite condition what we're looking to fix, where it's hard to get the rudder to pop up. Well, even though we still have the slanting away from stern, our kick down rudder or kick up rudder has a condition where it's really hard to pop it down, not up. So what I need to do is move this rope from the lower hole to the upper hole, and that'll be pretty fixed. I'll just extend it back out, cut this. As I said, I had some extra line, which is good, so if you mess up, you still got enough to work with. Well, we'll fix that. Oh, while we're here, I did make a new pulley out of plastic, so it doesn't have as high as sides or a groove. There's a slight groove, but that'll be good enough. Now it won't rust like the other one. If you do put a tiller pilot on, you got this bracket here. Just bound these covers off. Amazon, you get the first mate to put these snaps in for you and sew this hem. Oh, I gotta let him know about that. Oh, he pulled those out. Those are old threads right there. He pulled that stitching out. That's what he laid down. You can get these snaps on, and that's how you get it to work. First things first, we're going to take off our knot here. We're not saving this rope, we're just going to cut this. There's our piece. And by doing that, by putting this 90 degrees, these two pulleys are pretty much in line with the hole over here we need. So I have no problem pulling this through, because I'll be able to feed it back through very easy. There is our rope. So the rope is about 66 inches or so. I have some new rope here. This is cheap rope, but I'll put some better rope on once we repair this top cap and improve this. But until then, it's just going to eat up the next rope. So I'm just going to make sure we're the length. We have enough rope. It's a little bit long, but I think that'll be just fine. Got a close up here. Take a rope. Go under those pulleys. And then we're going to come over here and go through our little hole right there. Now if you had a piece of wire to stick through there just to grab that, which I might just do. Okay, we got an old zip tie here. Now if you had some stiffer rope, you probably won't have a problem feeding it through here. This rope's pretty soft. We're going to run our guide through, and it's not going to take much. Small piece of tape. Get it nice and tight. stopper nut. And then we'll take a lighter and then melt the end. Push that down. Okay, so we just flatten that around so that rope won't come out. And there's a little pulley up here we need to go over top. Okay, we're about done here. Now we're going to feed it through our pull handle block. Okay, now I'm going to do another stopper knot. Pull that nice and tight. I'm going to melt the top again. Flatten that up. Come on. Back in our handle. So there you have it. That is the replacement pull string on our Rudder Craft Kick-Down Rudder. Pretty easy job. Hey crew, just an update on our tiller rope replacement. It didn't work. First pull broke. I went flying to the back of the cockpit against the companionway. Luckily I didn't get hurt, but that rope is junk. It's not even good for an emergency. So the first mate has ordered us some special rope. It's supposed to be unbreakable. It's diamond grip pull cord. It's made in the USA. We're gonna give that a shot. I guarantee that's gonna be better. We'll put it to the test. But how we install it will be exactly the same as the video. So if you're in a pinch, you might try paracord, but that other rope that you can get, I think that was from Home Depot, one of those stores, it's probably breaking around 68, 70 pounds. No good. Alright crew, thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe and let us know what else you'd like to see. See you on the water crew. Bye.